The length method is pretty simple. What it does is it finds the length of a particular string, starting counting at 1 and finishing at whatever the last character is. So just a few quick examples. We'll just call it int x equals 2. We'll get the length for string 2 length. Then system.out.println x. So it's saying it's 11 characters, 5 and 5 with a space in the middle. That would be correct. If I add spaces in there, it'll include them. If I add spaces in front, it will include them. If I add spaces to the back and then type a few letters and more spaces, it will include all of them. The length is always going to be one number higher than the last index. So where my cursor is blinking right now would have an index number of 47. And then my length would be 48. So inside of a for loop, I'm going to show this real quick here. I'm going to go back to my original 11. If I delete everything, which is a lot, there we go. I'm going to use my for loop like this. For int I equals 0, I is less than, and we're going to do this to 2, so 2.length, and then increase I by 1 each time. And I'm just going to have us print out I. And I'm going to show you what happens. Is it'll print out from 0 to 10, which is what we want. If you throw in the equal sign, it will mess up the characters. So you want to make sure that you just do less than. And this is going to be good practice for when we're working with arrays down the road. So we're just doing the string length. I is less than the string dot length to do the individual things we're going to do to the string.